to my class. I am going to teach for class 8th, that is first chapter, crop production and management. So dear students, in our previous class, we have taught you about different types of crops, different types of crops grown in different seasons, and before growing the crops, the soil is prepared for cultivating the crops. Before cultivating the crops, the soil is prepared, that is preparation of soil. For preparing the soil, different implements are used. Sowing of seeds, after sowing of seeds, irrigation method, different types of irrigation method, removing of weeds, applying of pesticides and insecticides to protect the crop from the insects and pests. Now, we are in the next topic, that is harvesting, threshing and winnowing. Grow the crops, it takes some time for the crops to ripe. These crops are cut and gathered together is called harvesting. In this process, the crops that are grown and ripe, mature, these crops are cut and gathered together. This process is called harvesting. Harvesting can be done manually or using machine. Some types of crops, especially the cereal crops, that can be harvested with the help of hand. Farmers used sickle to cut the crops from the ground level. When the crops get ripe, farmer use a sickle of knife is used to cut the crops from the ground side. Once the crop is cut, that are gathered together for the threshing and winnowing process. In case of cereals, with the harvesting process, threshing and winnowing also done together. Harvesting can be done with the help of machines. Tractor that contains a harvester that helps to remove all the ripe crops from the ground that are collected together and stored in a place. This is called harvesting. In case of cereals, with harvesting, winnowing and threshing processes also. About the three topics, that is harvesting, threshing and winnowing. In harvesting, it is a process of cutting crops and gathering to harvesting. Second point is threshing. In threshing, what happens? Once we have cut all the crops, when it gets ripe, they are collected together. From that crops, we have to remove the grains. We have to remove the grains and the remaining part of the plant that we are burning in a field. And separation of grains from the crop plant is called threshing. Threshing can also be done by a machine containing harvester and a thresher, that is called combine. In this, what happened? The harvesting is cutting all the crops from the field, the ripe crops from the field, and that are given to the thresher so that the thresher can remove all the grains from the crop. Next one is winnowing. Winnowing means separation of grains from chaff. After once harvesting means we are cutting the crop. From that we get different types of grains. We are separating the grains from the crop plant. That process is called threshing. And the last one is winnowing. When we get the grains, these grains are containing chaff. What is chaff? Grains that is containing an outer covering, that is called chaff. So this chaff should be removed from the grains. So this is a process by which people, the farmer used to do like this. Due to the wind, the chaff will be blown away and the grains that are heavier in weight, that will fall down and the chaff will blow away. In this way we can separate the grains from the chaff. Here you can see the winnowing process. The soup is towards the direction of the air and the husks are removed separately and the grains are removed separately. So here we have studied about the harvesting, threshing and winnowing. These three processes we are doing when the crop get ripe or mature. After the harvesting, threshing and winnowing process, the waste that are left after collecting all the grains, this waste are burned in the soil. This can cause pollution and the grains are separated. Now we got the grains that should be stored for the further use. In this way, the different methods of harvesting, threshing and winnowing is done to separate the crops from the plant. So dear students, now I have taught you about the harvesting, threshing and winnowing. In the next class, we will see how we can store these crops for the further use. Now here I am having some homework for you. Please note down this question in your notebook and write the answer and send this answer in the chat. Questions are: define harvesting. Second question is define threshing. And the third question is define winnowing. I hope this concept is clear to you all. Thank you.